Today's video we build a competitor website, how you can build easily your competitor site with the help of the Cloud Code. So in this video, so let's get started. So first of all, I explain the graph completely. So first you need a $20 per month subscription plan. And after that, you can use a Cloud Code subscription in your VS Code terminal. So first, you need to pro plan. After that, you 5 hours limited sessions, and every 5 hours you recharge your sessions limit and weekly limit. Weekly limit consider also both. So in any case, so first I check that. I will show you. That is the usage, and you see that that is the weekly limit. And after the weekly limit is reach out 100%, your cloud code and your cloud is shut down. And after the recharge with the 1 a.m. on Saturday at night. Again, refill that weekly limit. And that is the 5 hours limited sessions in the cloud core. You also know that if you use a free plan. So first, that is the explain the Claude.md. When I build a competitor any site, so first I need instructions of the Claude.md. Here I define what I needed and what I provided details and present information. In the step by step, I will explain step by step you. So first I make a prompt like clear conversations like, hey Cloud, I want to build my me for personal portfolio site. I share you GitHub directly to the user. So first I get that there I just search on the portfolio side on e-commerce, and here's I get the GitHub's directory links, repository links, and here's I search that and I use that repository. I complete competitors for the reference to I show you the cloud. Hey cloud, I need that site for my according data. And you can also use our competitor portfolio site like you go to ThemeForest, and after you search which site you love it, and you just click that and reopen that and that URL copy and paste here and ask them, hey cloud, I need that website you can make and that is my details and you build for me. First of all, you make a cloud entry, and after you give the suggestions what you build, and here you get the all data in my site. And here's I provide my YouTube URL, my website URL, my Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn URL to get my content data about me, about my skills, about my design or about my graphics styles for the website, and which I color use in my website according that's make my website. And I also ask them, hey, make a CV button. Here's the user come and download my CV according the brand guidelines using, and website attach a WhatsApp button also, and make a cloud.md file also .env file if needed. So first I copy that complete prompt and I paste in the cloud code. So first, that is the you can also make that website. So let's push in go to the VS Code, and here's I create again folder, new folder. Like I select the folder portfolio site, and you see that that is built the complete folder. And here's I click the cloud and instructions and cancel that and send a message here. I connect my cloud port subscription also. If you don't know, you can also check my previous video here how I connect my cloud port subscription. So let's paste that complete and try it in the plain mode and just and so first we check that which I model use first and switch the model Such model which I use, the Sonnet for recommended. And here's I that is the first your command is must be the plain mode. So cloud easily understand your plan. Now they build the plan. So first you see that is the Cloud.md make, and I just make for the reference purpose like GitHub directory, and you can also send image for the website and PDF screenshots and website overview. You can also send it for the reference purpose cloud build for your site for the according your reference site. And after that I push the GitHub and in your account in your repository, and after that I manually deployed in Vercel. So first go to the GitHub account and your GitHub and go to the settings. So first we need maybe possible we needed API keys. Uh, Go to the setting and developer setting and personal or token and find GitHub. So personal access token. Tokens, token, DDP tokens still they are testing. Not I need define the repository store tokens to personally pay this token beats one. So yes, I need that token and here I am DGs here and DGs here. When be the expire? It just 7 day I also have that public repository of no expiration or repository generate a token. Generate a token. They asked me PDF ready. No, I asked them, you can build a PDF for me, but uh, profile photo. You have a professional photo that should use your avatar. Yes, I would add. Use placeholder. Yes, I will add it. What's your data user name? So I can set up platform directly. Now there will be yeah, PGs here. Our internet log sections. They want to keep log sections. Then submit answer. Now I convert the edit automate. I set to the bypass permission because I just my credit usage is very high. Site for the site public repository. Yes, it's correct. Yes. Very no. Now I give the instructions. You can also very like. And here's I provide every details on the GitHub. You can also push to GitHub. So first I copy that the token and here is GitHub secret key. I provide him and my GitHub URL and I push that, push that, run that and test it also. I ask them testing and they generate your CV, PDF, CV.html, STS, setup, email.js to contact from work. They asked me you can contact setup email, uh, Jason, but I asked him I don't need that setup email. I don't need that. Let's say have hit the limit. That has hit the limit. And in the night, my limit is reach out. Again, I continue. Uh, Proceed last sections. Sections. Again, I tell him here I provide my GitHub secret key and the GitHub site link, portfolio site link. And here they push my code. See that is, and here's like my GitHub repository, and here's my portfolio site. I see that, and every task to by the cloud itself. You push in now, right now in your terminal. So I just go to my terminal, go to the terminal, and here I push my code, cd. You see that? That is uh, that I need to push the code. So you see that? And again, I report invalid user and open password and because it's been my not connecting here. So again, I ask that I provide him my uh, key authenticator again. So go to the again setting, developer setting, and here the pre-granted token, right? And this token generate again token verified by email. And that is the GitHub verification code and paste here, verify that. Now we need the access token, not a public, and add a permission like everything's. You see that that is the uh, permission I need to models, uh, PPC, follower, image, pilot, pilot check. That every permission I give him and not a read only, read and write, read only, read only, read only, read and write, read only, read and write, read and write. You see that? I select and give him complete permission in 7 day. And here's the token name I PG is here 123 and generate a token. See that? That is the complete permissions and generate a 7 day token. And I just copied it and I ask him again. Hey, I copied it and provide him. Hey, Cloud, that, hey, Cloud, that one is an issue. Now, yes, I provide token and now it's working again. name, the repo to the site, private calls. You see that there is admin is true and my web permission on that. Token has full admin push. Let me check has commit using constant. So now my every code push in the GitHub repo, and now I dynamically fetch in my Vercel. So let's check that out. You don't try that GitHub authentication token. I just removed in the video at the last key, but push keeps failing. Look for granted path is selected. Verified push. Now my usage, I check my usage and 14%. Deploy to versions. You see that now my uh, GitHub repo is live. You see that that is now I again the refresh that, and I go to the Vercel, and here's what I need to. Here's I provide the GitHub URL. So go here and deploy it. See that that is the portfolio side and going npm any if you have any like env like your APIs keys, you can import your env file here dynamically. Yeah, you can also provide your env. I just go to here and env file if I have any env, but in my portfolio side has no any env like a variable, so like I just push them deploy. And now they build logs, and after that they complete the deployment, they give me public URL. uh, you see that that is the Nadir Habib complete about me, and add a domain. You can also add a domain and continue to the dashboard. Here's my URL vercel.app, and here's I visit that site. See that, but that is version dot. You see that that is about, that is my resume in my website. Also I push the Karachi and government college and experience and every kind of meta ads in my website. They fetch every kind of details in my first, and here's the portfolios, e-commerce, Google search ads, AI customer support can also. But now the error I think is come, but no, they dynamically push in my website. So you can here, so you can see, you can order by your also, that is the email, that is the phone number, that is the website, that is the location. Here's my LinkedIn. You see that that is the exact URL of my LinkedIn profile. Uh, Here's the LinkedIn upper and WhatsApp. Here's my WhatsApp button. You see that that is the same number of. Hey, I found your portfolio and would like to contact you. That is the WhatsApp also button. And here's the contact information. Here you can provide name and send message. uh, you see that that is the map visualization form, and performance marketing, AI agent developer, SEO analytics, and web development, and testimonials, Sarah Ahmad Khan, and that is the brand logo. That's fantastic. It just I just copy that website. See that that is the reference website I use, and now they build for me public website. So you see that. So in this video, if you need any kind of video, in the next video I will upload that video. So if you love that video, you can also like, subscribe, and share that video with your same users.